Hey, welcome back to the shop. Decided to have a quiz, let you guys show off your birding skills. We have a prize for a winner that we'll draw. It's not necessarily the one who knows the most. We'll make a draw first from the people who got 10 out of 10 on the quiz. If nobody gets 10 out of 10, it's a tough quiz. Kind of thinking that not everybody's going to get 10 out of 10. Then we'll draw from the 9 out of 9. So to enter the quiz, message me the answers. Don't put the answers on a comment on this video because that'll just help somebody else out and then they might win. So direct message the bird garden, the answers to the quiz, and we will make a draw from that. So the prize is a bag of 8 cakes of suet, the peanut butter suet. That's a $15 value. And you're going to need a cage to put it in. That's way up there. So these are the cages we make. They're a pretty decent cage as far as a wooden cage goes. They're open on the bottom. I don't like the homemade suet, the wooden suet cages that have a piece of wood across the bottom because the suet cake sits on that and the birds don't get at it and it sits there until it's gone, right? And it molds. We like to keep the rope so it stays up so you can hang it. And it's very easy to flip the lid off, drop in 2 cakes. And I like the double cakes. They're bigger, they have some weight to it. So some of the larger woodpeckers want to get on it. It stays still, it's not swinging around on a chain. So that's the prize. To enter the contest, we ask you to share this post on your Facebook page and send us the answers to your quiz. I'll do a follow-up video after we make the draw to give the answers and why. I'll show the field mark. So today's March 7th. We'll cut it off and I'll try to get the draw done right away, but we'll cut it off on Sunday the 13th, March 13th. So just under a week to get your answers in. And if it goes well, we'll do another one, do some other prizes. Thanks a lot. I finished editing that and I noticed that I didn't mention that we can't really ship that stuff. It's kind of big and heavy. If you're not in the Moncton area, but you know somebody here, they could pick it up for you. Or if you want to gift it to someone in the Moncton area, if it's between Hillsborough and Moncton, we can drop it off, or they could pick it up in Moncton if that's easier than picking it up in the shop. Thanks for playing.